So you've been running into some problems on your mobile phone, and you're trying to figure out how you can get better production out of it. So today I'm going to show you how to update the profile, which is going to help, a lot of times increase your data speeds, may stop drop calls that you've been getting, and if you've been having delays in text messages. Stay tuned and see how it's done for both Apple and Android. First, you bring up the keypad on iPhone, and you type in pound pound 873 283 pound, and then you'll hit the call button to send it. To get the starting service update, you just go ahead and you hit OK to dismiss it, and it'll just run in the background. Next, on the Android, it'll be a little bit of a different process. You're gonna, this time, swipe down from the top of the screen. You gotta go into the gear up in the upper right hand corner to bring into settings. You scroll down. Gonna look for system updates. And click on the system updates. And then you're gonna click on update profile. Gonna sit and process for some time, but sometimes it'll be pretty quick and sometimes it may take up to a couple of minutes. So you just let it go and it'll give you a message once it completes at the end. These are done to update your profile with the network. So if you're having like slow internet speeds, so you're getting dropped calls, if you're having issues with text messages coming in delayed, a lot of times this can take care of those issues. Not always, but it's a good place to start. This is attention, the profile has been updated. Press OK to continue, and just hit OK, and it'll take you back to screen. And you'll be able to exit back to the main home screen. And you're done updating your profile.